Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. State the size of the internal angle of a regular octagon. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. A polygon is a closed shape with three or more straight sides. Where two sides meet, at their end point, vertices and angles are created. A regular polygon is a polygon whose sides, angles, and number of vertices are all equal. Internal angles of a polygon are the angles formed inside the polygon at each vertex. They are the angles enclosed by two adjacent sides of the polygon. External angles of a polygon are the angles formed with the adjacent side by extending one side of the polygon at a vertex. The external angles of a regular polygon have a sum of 360 degrees. Dividing 360 by the number of sides gives us the size of the external angle of a regular polygon. And likewise, dividing 360 by the size of the external angle gives us the number of sides. At each vertex, the sum of the internal and external angle is 180 degrees. Answering this question is a three-step process. First, we need to recall the number of sides of a regular octagon. Then, we need to find the size of the external angle before using that value to find the size of the corresponding internal angle. The question asks us to find the size of the internal angle of a regular octagon. A regular octagon has 8 equal sides, 8 vertices, and 8 equally sized internal angles. The external angles of a regular octagon have a sum of 360 degrees. By dividing 360 by the number of sides, we can find the size of one of those external angles. So the size of the external angle of a regular octagon is 360 divided by 8, which is 45 degrees. We also know that the sum of the internal angle and corresponding external angle of a regular octagon is 180 degrees. That means we can subtract the size of the external angle from 180 degrees to find the size of the internal angle. So, if the external angle is 45 degrees, the internal angle of a regular octagon is 180 minus 45, which is 135 degrees. For more explanation and examples of the angle properties of a regular polygon, including an alternative solution to this question, search our channel for angles of a polygon. As an extension to this question, what is the internal angle of a regular hexagon? Drop your answer in the comments. So the size of the internal angle of a regular octagon, and the answer to this question, is 135 degrees. Read our blog at mathsdepot.com for more maths content.